Hi friends, after the successful launch of my book, The Joy of Healing, which became an international bestseller within a week, today I am presenting additional thoughts about healing. I am Laila Ahmed, an intuitive trainer, author and a therapist, presenting Pearl of Intuition. Awaken, amplify and expand your God-gifted intuitive power. Today, let's explore healing from a different perspective. The creation requires no healing. It is perfectly designed. What causes ill health is connection to the sick dimensions. The body is designed to be healthy. When the body is in the state of rest and relaxation, the body's own healing mechanisms are tapped. Within each of us is an innate ability for the body to heal itself. It has a built-in mechanism. With the stress and strain of living in today's life, this ability sometimes gets blocked by the mind, not able to control themselves. The body signals us all the time when there is disharmony. If we don't listen, the signal gets louder. Pain comes to get us to move in another direction, towards harmony. If we respond to pain with fear and more tension, we are moving in the same direction and we will get there even faster. The body has God-given power of self-healing if we take the time to listen and ask. So today, let us understand, why don't we heal? The first reason why we don't heal is trust. We don't trust that our body can heal itself. Nobody has told us that the body has the healing power. It has its own built-in mechanism to do the self-healing. Who grows your nail? Who grows your hair? Who helps you to breathe? Who pumps your heart? It has the body has its own innate ability. So similarly, God has created us in such a way where when we listen to our body's signal, we have the power to heal ourselves. So the first step towards healing is trusting. Trust that your body can heal itself. The second reason why we are not able to heal ourselves is because we are not speaking out our feeling. Emotions and feelings that are suppressed, hidden, ends in illnesses such as gastritis, ulcer, back pain, arthritis. 85 to 90% of the disease are caused by psychosomatic. That means they are caused due to our thoughts, due to our mind. Holding on to anger, resentment for a very long time attracts cancer. We need to look within and listen to our feeling because they are accurately tuned to the truth. Yes, some of this feeling may be uncomfortable to face, yet if they are there within us, they are there for a reason. If you are confused, sit down with a paper and pen and write down, conduct an interview with your emotional self. Ask your emotional self, what are you feeling? What would you like me to do? Your feeling will speak loudly and clearly if you trust and you're open to listening it. So interview your emotional self. Write down all the feelings that are emerging, surfacing up, and that is an easiest way to identify why you are not healing yourself. The third reason why we are not able to heal ourselves, we are not able to take some decision. Undecided person always remain in anguish and anxiety. Indecision accumulates problems, worries and aggression. The undecided people are victim of gastric ailment, nervous pain and also problem of the skin. Have you ever experienced that when you are not able to take some decision, you remain in discomfort, but when you are able to take the decision, you feel peaceful and calm? I remember the time when I wanted to attend the spiritual healing course and I could not take the decision because of two reasons. First, I could not afford the fees because it was very expensive then. And secondly, I never knew that something like this, healing without medicine, exists. I could not sleep for 2 nights, just deciding whether I should be joining the course or should not be joining the course. But after when I managed to create my funds to attend the training and I enrolled myself, I felt peaceful and comfortable. The fourth reason why we don't heal ourselves is based upon the approach we take to life. There are two approaches to living a life. Either you can have a problematic approach or you can have a solution-based approach. So if you are focused upon problematic approach, that means you are just emphasizing about the problems. My knees are hurting, my back is paining, I can't remember things. So when you are focusing only on the problem and you are creating the negative environment around you, you are just lamenting over the same issue over and over again. I want you to have a solution-based approach. Focus your problem with a solution. That what is it that I have not done which can help me to heal my back or which can help me to stop my knees pain. It is better to light a matchstick rather than curse the darkness or complain about the darkness. When you are taking a problematic approach to your life, it is like you are marketing your disease. Have you seen people marketing their disease? That means they talk to everyone and anyone whom they come across. They describe their disease in so depth. They keep on repeating to everyone, my knees are hurting, my knees are hurting. And they are as if thinking that by repeating about the problem, by repeating about the illness, they are going to be healed. One day I was overhearing two women. One woman was telling that I cannot even take one step up. That means I am finding it very difficult to climb stairs. On which the second woman says, I can't even walk on unstable ground. I felt as if they were competing with each other. Whose pain is worse than the other? Why don't we stop marketing our disease? We are not here to show people or be a victim that yes, my body is hurting, my knees are paining, my back is paining, and that is no way we are going to get better or no way we are going to be healed with this attitude. So take a positive approach, take a solution-based approach, and the body will begin to heal itself. The fifth reason why we don't heal is don't live by appearance. Now this might seem as completely an opposite to what I have just shared about repeating your healing, repeating your disease over and over again. In this, the person is living an unauthentic life as if a mask is on. The person is suffering but doesn't want to open up, doesn't want to express. The person thinks, I will think positive and I will be healed. I don't want to spend money on the healing. If you are living a life, an unauthentic life like this, you are creating more problems in your life. Because if you take too long for yourself to connect to the right doctor or to heal yourself, there is a possibility that the illness will magnify. Hiding reality, pretending and always wanting to give the impression of well-being. You want to be seen as perfect and easygoing, but in doing so, you are accumulating tons of weight. A bronze statue with the feet of clay. There is nothing worse for the health than to live by appearance or living an unauthentic life. Their destiny is pharmacy, hospital, and the pain. The sixth point why we don't heal ourselves is lack of self-acceptance. When we don't accept ourselves the way we are, we attract diseases. For example, every day when you are standing in front of the mirror, what do you see? If your focus is upon what is not good in your life, you are unconsciously giving message to your body that I don't accept you the way you are. For example, if you are short and you can't do much about it, so instead of focusing upon your short height, you need to focus upon your strength. Be proud about the positive qualities you have within you and don't sweat the small stuff. Refusing to accept yourself leads to low self-esteem, low self-worth. And when you are not worthy about yourself, when you don't feel worthy about your life, when you don't feel worthy about what you are attracting sickness. Accepting yourself is the core of a healthy life. When you are not accepting yourself, you become envious, jealous, ultra-competitive, and also self-destructive. We need to understand God has created all of us unique. We are different. We all have a different fingerprint. So when we are unique, why do we want to imitate somebody? And when we are not accepting ourselves, we are inviting diseases and illnesses in our life. I have a video on being unique. I'll be sharing the link somewhere here in the I button. Go through it. You will receive tons of information. I'll be sharing the link also in the description below. So when you are accepting yourself the way you are you are acknowledging God's presence in your life. You are accepting that God has created you whole, complete and perfect. Seventh and the last point, do not live life sad. Healthy life needs good humor, laughter and happiness. This brings in health and a long life. The person who is humoristic not only brings good health to himself, but he creates an environment which is full of happiness and joy. So if you are not feeling well, you need to bring some humor into your life. If you are not able to get it, watch some funny movies. Good humor saves you from the hands of the doctor. In this infinite universe, the only impossibility is what you do not attempt, and the only failure is when you decide to give up. This is a deep, thought-provoking line, and I want to leave you today with this line. Ponder on this line till we meet next week. Do share these videos with your family and friends. Let's together make a difference. Till we meet next time, light and fragrance to all of you.